So in this discussion, pag-uusapan natin yung relationships between angles formed by parallel lines cut by a transversal. So ang focus natin dito ay parallel lines cut by a transversal. So dito sa ating illustration, meron tayong isang transversal and then nakabuo ito ng 8 iba't ibang angles. Ang symbols na nagsasabi na ang dalawang lines na ito ay parallel ay itong mga arrowheads na nandito. Okay? So start na tayo. Ang sabi dito, corresponding angles are congruent. So ano-ano ba ang corresponding angles natin dito sa ating illustration? We have angle 1 and angle 5. They are corresponding angles. Therefore, they are congruent. Okay? Next, we have angle 2 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 8, angle 3 and angle 7. At ang mga magkakapares na ito ay congruent sa isa't isa. So, angle 2 is congruent to angle 6, angle 4 is congruent to angle 8, angle 3 is congruent to angle 7. Dahil they are corresponding angles dito sa parallel lines cut by a transversal. Now, let us proceed with alternate interior angles. Ano namang meron sa mga sukat ng alternate interior angles dito sa ating parallel lines cut by a transversal? Isa-isahin muna natin yung mga pairs of angles na alternate interior angles. Una, we have angle 4 and angle 6. We also have angle 3 and angle 5. Ayan. So, angle 4 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 5. Angle 4 is congruent to angle 6, and then angle 3 is congruent to angle 5. So, ang sukat ng angle 4 ay equal sa sukat ng angle 6. So, ganun din ang angle 3 equal ang sukat nito sa angle 5. Kagaya ng alternate interior angles, ang alternate exterior angles ay congruent. So, dito sa ating given, ang angle 1 ay congruent sa angle 7, ang angle 2 ay congruent sa angle 8. Meaning, ang sukat ng angle 1 ay equal sa sukat ng angle 7 at ang sukat ng angle 2 ay equal sa sukat ng angle 8. Now, let's have the same side interior angles. Ano namang relationship ang mayroon sa same side interior angles? Ang sabi dito, sa parallel lines that are cut by a transversal, ang same side interior angles ay supplementary. Or, mayroong sum ang dalawang angles na ito na 180 degrees. So, ano-ano ba ang same side interior angles? Dito sa ating given. We have angle 4 at saka angle 5. They are same side interior angles. So, ang sukat ng angle 4 plus the measure of angle 5 is equal to 180. Same sa angle 3 at saka angle 6 kasi itong dalawang ito ay same side interior angles din. So, we have the measure of angle 3 plus the measure of angle 6 is equal to 180. Next, same side exterior angles, kagaya ng same side interior angles, supplementary ang mga angles na ito. So, we have angle 2 and angle 7. We also have angle 1 at saka angle 8. They are same side exterior angles, therefore, they are supplementary. So, the measurement or the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 8 is equal to 180. The same with the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 7 that is also equal to 180. Ito po ay sa parallel lines cut by a transversal.